Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded on this channel for about 6-7 months, but I just got a new exhaust from AWE for my new car, and I wanted to share this video with you guys and do something a little bit creative, a little bit out of the box for this channel. I'm not a car vlogger by any means, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm actually on my way to Templar to get this thing installed, so yeah, I'll see you guys there.
Hey, this is Ren from Templar. We do wraps here most of the time, but sometimes on the weekends for our special customers, we'll put on an exhaust for them. Got this new kit for the Benz. Can't wait to hear how it sounds.
So it's been about a few days since I got the exhaust installed, and I really can't wait for you guys to hear it. I think it sounds awesome. I'm not really sure how it'll translate over video, but I can tell you that it will sound better in person. All right, here we go. You guys enjoyed that quick little video. I had a lot of fun making it, and if you guys want to see more videos like that, leave them in the comment section down below and give this video a like. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.